Good morning, everyone. In today's video, still in the educational section, we're going to look at the BC3 2.1 indicator and the insights it gives us. I'm going to load it up. Here it is. This is the Nasdaq chart, still on the 5-minute time frame. The indicator, which is part of the Pro service, basically allows you to simply you just need to set the date for the current day and the previous day by entering the time. The starting point is midnight, and automatically it draws both the levels and these color bands that identify the range, indicating the price zones, the important areas, at least the ones I consider important. So for example, the regular trading hours, the Asian close, you can see the previous day, the European close, the US open and close. So a whole series of indications that give us an additional way to interpret the chart. In this style, I've set it so that the current day's levels are in blue and the previous days are in violet, so I can distinguish them this way. Then you can easily see where they start from to understand which band they belong to, what level they correspond to, and basically which time zone they refer to. These are levels that can be used both for trading and for placing stop losses, but above all, they help us read the trend of the day. We can see here that these are not from yesterday. Ones in purple are here. Here we have the opening of the regular trading hours, and here we have the European session. We can see that basically from the opening there was a breakout of the previous range, meaning the previous day's range was tested perfectly, and now it's still moving within the range of the European opening. Will probably stay within it. This also helps you read the market. If you already had the daily levels here, they already help you understand. You can see that the trend for the day was upward. We had already figured that out even without adding the levels. We have an additional point of reference because, as you can see, this is automatically drawn. For example, this is a level that was drawn yesterday, this colored band here. So yesterday at the open it held in the evening, and then last night, or rather this morning, it was broken to the upside with this nice bullish spike that pushed prices up to the daily RD1, only to then make this nice retracement, which we could probably define as an ABC correction. Then there was another bullish surge, but it failed to break the previous highs. As for the developments and the strategy, we already know them. I'll make more videos where I'll show you how to read the market with all the tools. So this is a slightly shorter video just to introduce you to this additional element, which is also part of the Pro service. Along with the weekly and monthly levels, it gives you yet another way to interpret the market. You can see here we still have the monthly MRO level, which has held up so far. After some hesitation, it was broken, and the price went looking for a new equilibrium lower down, only to recover later. Now we're working below it again, and we'll see if we manage to break out of this range. Perfect. We've reached the end of this short educational video. It was just to clarify how to use the BC3 levels. So you should always refer to where the price is in relation to the BC3 levels in order to determine the day's trend compared to the HV level of the day, as well as the weekly and monthly HV levels, so that you have a complete picture of the situation. Then, as I mentioned, in the next videos I will show you how to combine all of these elements in your analysis. Thank you all for your attention.